was unbelievable. Y'all feel kind of high. Tickle.
You can see little bits of dead skin floating around.
You can.
Kombucha contains a bunch of fun bacteria, such as Glucosinobacter, Zygosaccharomyces, and other fungal microbes that sound like Game of Thrones characters.
Side crunch. Back in.
This is fantastic. Whew, it's burning.
I'm very thorough with this step.
You can't take the Tinder approach to sunscreen. Don't pick the one that smells good or looks good, because that relationship, I promise you, is not gonna last.
Subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel.
Today.
Subscribe to Well+Good right here.
Make sure that you subscribe to Well+Good, and we'll see you next time on the mat.
I know you could do it. Watch, subscribe. You got it.